Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it.
Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I am Shake and I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, it is Saturday. Oh my gosh, I love a Saturday. This is the day that you get to wake up late, you get to do a little resets depending on how your week went and all of that. So yeah, today's gonna be my little productive day. It is now 9:40. I think I got out of bed about after 8, somewhere thereabout. And then I was doing some work. I started to do something, but that I wouldn't film, but yeah. So yeah, right now I just made my bed, as you guys saw. I'm going to straighten up over there, so in a minute, but not right now. Right now I'm hot. I want to take off this. All right, so pretty much, let me see what I have on the agenda for today. I have to clean the room, I have to clean the kitchen, then I have my hair to wash, and then I have some studying to do. So I am going to be doing Sunday school exam tomorrow, so I need to study. I've started, but I'm not finished. Definitely not finished. So I need to study a lot today. So most of my day will be studying, yeah, after I've done. So I need to get through all of these things like before say about 11:30 and all of that. So yeah, we haven't had breakfast or anything like that yet, so it's an entire day with your girl. So hope you guys enjoy this productive day with me. Grab your snacks, grab whatever you got, and enjoy this video. Love y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and share this video. Comment something down below because it helps my video when you guys comment. All right. Guys, she got eggs. Eggs for breakfast.
Up to the egg farmers.
Nice. With my dinner. All right, guys, so eggs are here. So breakfast will be on its way in a minute. I want to tell her, so Shanice, we got edit our vlog then.
Let me move my breath, make me hotter.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like it's lamb.
Good morning. I am Sassy Shan, and today for breakfast we're going to do grilled sandwich and scrambled egg. We can't bother to do no omelette. Yes, so and I'm going to eat cornflakes with hot milk, and she's going to drink pop. What is wrong with hot milk? People, comment if you never have cornflakes with hot milk and how does it taste. I don't mean the cow's milk because I would definitely not heat up the cow's milk. But I'm going to make hot lasco and eat my cornflakes, right? So, I don't like bursting eggs because of, I don't know, it's just my stomach issue. But anyway, She going to do it for me, but she not do it. And then I'm going to get the grilled sandwich. I should make take over a vlog, you know. And people bear you, I have my vlog and I don't vlog. Anyway, so Shanaki is doing her pop on the stove.
Like I eat up my porridge, people. I'm gonna cook my porridge.
Remember that pot there always get trouble. Anyway, people, peace out.
I see brekkie. Ooh! Oh my gosh, thank you. And your sister coming in clutch. Ooh!
You call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death.
Guys, that's lovely. Eggs are good. My grilled sandwich is good. Look at that. Look at that. Yep, very nice. So she's having, I'm having porridge. She's having her something with stone, so she make.
See right.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh. That's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone.
Alright, so do not mind my hair. I did we call the wrap I pull out. I did just take off the wrap cap or whatever, so it just mad. I didn't wash it. Some issue with the water. So I'm not gonna wash my hair today. So yes, I've been trying to study. I'm trying to get down like some important stuff that I will read through between later on and tomorrow morning before the exam starts. I'm gonna sit me up there. I have like one essay I think to write. So this is like the thing that we're supposed to be going through right now. So I've gone through and I've written like a paper. I'm gonna read through, try SWOT. This one is like the hardest one I've ever thought about, because when it comes on to history and dates and remembering all of that, I can never remember them. So this is like somebody's life story, telling about like the them fleeing Ukraine and all of that. So trying to remember all of the dates and all of that, not easy. So I put that in like a little essay, write one essay. I'll try to swat it. I was swat there also because I can't remember that. And then these are like my we have like Bible scriptures. I have about 6 of them that we need to remember, because you might either get them to write or you have to fill in or something. I don't know which one of them. So I tried to write down all 6 of them last night. Out of the 6, I got 5 of them correct, with like a little bit of it. Actually, let me tell you how much I get completely correct. 1, 2, 3. I got 3 completely correct, and 3 of them have like some correction in it, so I need to fix. So yeah, like I miss my word or I mix up a word, like put in a word when I for the day. So yes, that's going great. Now I'm going through like the lessons and seeing if I can try to get out like different things out of it. So yeah, and like what things mean, things that we feel like they will ask me. I write down something and then read through them. Yeah, that's how I study. I don't know how you study. So these are my studying tips for y'all. Like, this can work for like when you're at school and all of that. Like, you go through your book, you highlight stuff that you feel important, then you go through and write out the most important stuff about the highlighted stuff. You get me? I say, try and make sense out of it. That's how I study. So a little study tip for y'all. So yes, I'm gonna finish this. When my sister's finished showering, I'm gonna have to show her because she has an exam today. So she's going to do that exam today, while I'm gonna be here studying some more and do some programs. I might do some lesson plans. I need to do some lesson plans. I don't finish my lesson plans were due on Wednesday. I only did my 7 and 8, so I have 9, 10, no, 9, 11, and 12 to do. So I have 3 lesson plans. Plus I have my evaluations that are supposed to be done, and also my action plan. Hey, enough something I have to do. So if all of this is done in this vlog, this is gonna be a very productive vlog. So yeah, let us finish studying.
God, you call me by my name.
Alright guys, so I'm finished with that. Yeah, me kind of put back this for me here because I was going to shower, so I know it would get wet. But I feel like I'll just keep it on because the hair come down and I just can't catch up my hair right now. So yes. So I'm gonna put this one to charge because outside looking rainy. And where I live, as rain set, it's not even affy done set like go. So I'm gonna charge my phone and continue studying for a bit. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm trying to find some lunch. So I grabbed some cornflakes. So the cornflakes my sister was eating for breakfast. Made for lunch. Yeah, all people look cute eating on camera. I can't do it. Anyways, I'm also frying a few pieces of breadfruit when my mom leaves for me. So yeah. So those are the breadfruits I'm getting fried. So yeah, that's gonna be lunch.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you.
Hi guys, so it is like later on in the afternoon, evening. I'm going to get ready for bed and then just lie down and read some more of that paper, because I finished my lesson plans, so that's checked off. I also did my evaluation, so, and I also did the programs, so the PowerPoint thing. So the only thing I have left to do is the action plan, I think. So I'll be doing that tomorrow after my exam, after church and all of that. So yeah. So yes, I have the paper to study and all. I'm gonna brush teeth and all of these things and see how that goes in a few. Yeah. So yes, I just got back. So remember I told you guys I had the exam today. So I did the exam. So I'm just getting back from that. So yeah, it never bad. I must say a lot of the multiple choice were from like the Bible stories and such. But the thing is, what I did wrong, I did not is that we get a Sunday school book, right? We have a Sunday school book that has like this summary in it. I got through the summary and I didn't go through like the Bible itself, so I didn't read the scripture itself. So most of the questions what I'm putting it were from the actual scripture. I mean, saying that them not gonna give me them there because there's no way they would expect me to remember about something. Hi guys, so I'm going to be washing my hair. So this is a continuation from yesterday. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put this in my hair. This is some apple cider vinegar and water. Let's see if on the internet I'm gonna try. Yeah. So I'm just put it up on it. So I'm scared. Alright, so I'm going to try and get this saturated in my hair. And then I'm going to wash my hair. And then I'll see you guys after. I can't better video, so I wash my hair.
Yeah, I know it's been a little while, but I gotta let them know. Yeah, if you ever been down, opportunity to grow. Yeah, I know you having trouble understanding it. If you trust in God, He got His hands in it. I promise He'll protect you like His lamb in it. He don't get the glory if the man did it. You gotta stand with Him. I know. Yeah, life gets hard and it feels like it's no way out. Yeah, I promise if you just keep going, it'll all work out. Yeah, cause that's my God. He won't let you go by fire. All you need to know right now, He gon' pick you up, give you love right now. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All I want isn't all I need. Give me God, because
Everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading what's good for me, cause you're good for
I
me.
know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Alright guys, so it is later in the afternoon. I'm hot guys, that's why I'm gonna put my sweat because I have been sweating. I'm going to, chill for the rest of the evening actually. I go finish watch some YouTube videos and just chill. So my little productive vlog is gonna end here. I did want to iron like all of my clothes for like a month or so, but it didn't work out. So only the clothes for tomorrow I ironed. So yeah, this was a productive kind of vlog. I hope it motivated you guys to be productive as well. So yes, thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.